Hi, I'm Louise from Mia Stanza, and I'm going to show you how to use Fama's 3D simulator to create a simple chair. So when you use our website, you'll use the link to any product which will take you through to the virtual simulator and to this page. Here you can see all the models available. So if we just scroll down and choose a chair like the Killian chair, let's choose the Killian just there. Now you'll see straight away that you've got a number of different options within that range. So you've got a chair on legs, a chair on a rocking base, a chair on a swivel base. You've got all the matching footstools with those, or you've got the chair and footstool as a set and the cushions that come with the chair as well. So if I choose a chair with legs, and just click on there. Also extremely useful unless you speak Spanish to go up here to the top right hand corner and click on EN for English. Now then, we'll go on to the fabrics up here. Now, if you've been looking at Fama's fabrics on our fabric page or on Fama's fabric page, you might know some of the names you'd like to try, in which case you do it by name in alphabetical order down here. Otherwise, you might want to look at the fabrics by colour. So if we go on to colour and I choose maybe a blue, you can see all of Fama's blue fabrics come up, whether they be plain or patterned. So I'll choose one patterned wall, plain, another pattern. So you can choose as many fabrics as you like, and then you'll be able to put the fabrics on different parts of the chair. So for example, if I choose this fabric here, I might want to just put that on my cushions and maybe choose a plain fabric for the seat and the rest of the chair. And then you can have a play around and put a check pattern on the back of the chair, then on the seat. You can have it all over. Easiest thing to do if you want the same fabric all over is just go up here to apply all, and then the fabric will appear on every part of the chair. So you can play about adding colours, adding different patterns, and just creating the chair of your choice. When you've got the fabrics right, go up to accessories, click on there, and a little balloon will come up on the chair here. Click on there, and then over to the left, it will give you options on usually on the base of the chair. So for this one, it's legs. If we click on here, your different leg options will come up, usually different colours. So let's put the legs in natural. If I click off there, you can see the legs come up in a natural wood, and you've got your fabric still showing on there. If you'd like to, you can go up here and you can display the measures of that chair, and that will show you the width, height and depth of the chair. So there we have it. You can use your mouse to move the item around, look at it from the back, and we've created our own chair.